Okay, tonight's Oxen group support video is going to be about OxenTV and our $5 list. These two new sections, OxenTV is a new section, brand spanking new, and we'd like to give a little bit of information support about it, as well as a $5 list to help you understand a little bit more about what's going on here. So with the OxenTV, this is a new section that we've added with our Oxen Group Nightly, as well as our webinars, and now as well as our support videos. The Oxen Nightly, I think, is a really fun and great way for members and non-members to sort of understand what we are seeing at the Oxen Group. I mean, with every position we take, we have a certain model, a certain fundamental way that we see things, and the Oxen Group Nightly is a great way to sort of understand that mentality and what we're seeing in the market. And every day I sit down and create these videos with market wrap-ups, with wrap-ups on what our current positions are and what we're seeing in them, as well as analyzing the charts on some of our current positions as well as positions that we're holding, and then also talk about some of our long-term information, and then finally also forecast what I'm seeing moving forward into the next day. And it can help you to sort of prepare yourself for, is the market going to move down moving forward? Is the market moving up? Are we bullish? Are we bearish about the market in a very short term? And these videos, I think, are almost a must for you if you want to be a really effective trader with us. It will help you sort of see what I'm seeing, and over time, as you can see what I'm seeing in different positions, it will help you understand what we're doing and what we're doing here at the Oxen Group. What kind of strategy are we using? And I think that's really key to being a successful trader. Also, for our premium members, we've created these webinars, and these are a really interesting way for you to learn some of the jargon, some of the technical analysis, some of the fundamental analysis that we use for every position that we're looking at. And some of the ones we've done so far are using RSI, Bollinger Bands, phenomenal stochastics, combining the three technicals. Those three are the major technicals indicators that we use for our buy picks, our short sales, and our midterm trades. And then also how to maximize your Oxen Group membership. It's almost like a support videos on steroids in one sitting. And that's a really key, interesting webinar that is really interesting for you as you're starting out a membership here on the site. I highly recommend, if you're a premium member, to watch these webinars to help you learn a little bit more about market strategy, trading strategies. And if you're not a member, it's a great way. These are great videos that really are helpful for training, for educational purposes. And there's another reason why you may think about upgrading to a premium membership so that you can see these great webinars. Another thing that's available for some of our basic and premium members is the $5 list. Now, this list of stocks is basically a list of companies that trade around the $5 area that we think have potential once they hit $5 to be attractive to mutual funds. These are stocks that are typically have very strong fundamentals and are very fun stocks to trade technically in the short term, and then fundamentally once they hit $5. So basically what happens is when a stock hits $5, it's now available for mutual funds and for a lot of institutional investors to add positions to a mutual fund or for their clients. And so, for example, a stock like ARIA, this is a good one. ARIA Pharmaceuticals, ARIA is the ticker. And this stock was one where we saw it really blast off once it hit $5, as it's a strong pharmaceutical company with a good future, and a lot of mutual funds wanted to get in on the speculation on it, a lot of institutional investors. Another company is a GFI Group. This is a stock that once it hit $5, traded in about a $4.80 to $5 range, but once it's stuck at $5, we saw it go from $5 to about $5.60. And basically what you're seeing is you're just seeing increased volume and increased demand, and it's completely a supply and demand thing. As the supply stays the same, the demand increases once the stock hits $5. So the theory is that those stocks are going to then blast off. They're going to rise very quickly once they hit that $5 mark. And this is a theory that we've been perfecting and we've seen. And then also we watch these stocks a lot. And every day we do it for our premium members and for our alert members, a $5 list update. and that allows us to update you on what we're seeing. Some of the stocks that are kind of trading at the bottom of their trading ranges, some of the stocks that are hitting at the highs. And a lot of our short sales and a lot of our buy picks come right out of this $5 list, because these are stocks that we watch on a daily basis, and we have learned the ranges on them, and we follow them on their news, we follow them on a daily basis, and we watch them, and they're very technical because they're below $5, so a lot of traders are in on them, so they're very technical, and then once they hit $5, they get that really nice fundamental catalyst that allows them to be really good investments at once they hit $5. So that's your support video for the $5 list in OxenTV. If you have any questions about either of those two topics, please leave us a comment at our contact page, a question for us, which will be emailed right to us, or email us at contact@theoxengroup.com.